Alright, today we get to do something kind of fun-ish. So, I thought I was doing something here with the custom headlights, darkening them out, but I am not really caring for them as they don't pop at all, you know? I mean, you probably don't know. I notice more because I'm the owner. And then this headlight right here, as you can tell, is just absolutely trashed. It's got all sorts of stuff inside of it. The top right there, it's just got, yeah, it just looks so bad. Oh my goodness, the chrome's even peeling on the inside there. Yeah, this one fogs up like crazy. The seal, I ruined it. Long story short, I ruined it. I'll pop the hood here. Everything that I've done to this Z's been done myself, so some of it's good, some of it's bad. Yeah, look at it. Obviously, that reseal job just isn't it. Like, that's just terrible. And yeah, every time I get a car wash or it rains, it just fogs completely up. This one does slightly too. This seal job's a lot nicer, but it's still not nice. You know what I mean? So, I found a set of headlights on Marketplace, and we're about to go pick them up. But in order to do that, I have to take my eyelids off because I really want to save them. So we're gonna try the old little credit card trick. Basically just say stick it in here, pry it, and have some patience. And I actually feel like this is working nicely. Yeah, look at that, it's actually going right in. Definitely helps though. Oh, what's up, B? Definitely helps that I've had the Z sitting out in the sun. We're back. Package acquired. These things are gorgeous looking. I'm excited to put them on. One tiny issue, this one right here shakes a little bit. The ballast, you can see right down low. It's missing a screw. Right there. But yeah, other than that though, it's solid. So I'm gonna try to tighten that ballast up and then we're gonna throw them on. Just do a little before. Alright, so we bought the headlight. I don't remember if I took a video previously or not, but this whole ballast in here was flopping, which we've had an issue in the past with, so I went ahead and fixed it real quick. No more flopping. Basically, we had to drill a hole right here in the back of the ballast. You can kind of see out right there. You can see the screw. And it's all the way in the inside of there, like angled. It's kind of hard to get the camera in there, but you guys get the idea. So we're good. So let's get them put in. Yeah, so the after is crazy. The headlights are so bright. It definitely transforms it. As you guys can see, we got a freighter in the background. One thing that we love about our hometown here, the beautiful Blue Water Bridge backdrop. But yeah, holy crap. Yeah, so the look of these, it's just night and day. This is probably the best comparison that I can get. And you know, all this dirt and stuff, this is all on the inside. Like it's, you know, I gotta completely take it apart and redo it. But then this leaves the other question. Do we put the angry eyes on or not? So what do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Go eyelids or no eyelids? It actually kind of looks wild without the eyelids. Like with the one on it.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.